How to contact to the Bank of America credit card online. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about contacting to the Bank of America credit card online. So let's get started. The Bank of America values your time and strives to make the customer service as efficient as possible. So if you have any questions about your credit card, there are several ways to connect with the customer care for a secure and convenient experience. To reach the Bank of America credit card support quickly, call their toll-free number at 1-877-329-194. So this line is available 24/7. And if you need international assistance, you can call 1-757-671-4701. And remember to use the collect calls if necessary. Having your credit card and account details ready will help facilitate the efficient assistance. You can also manage your account and contact the customer service through the Bank of America mobile app. Simply log in and access the Help or Contact Us section for secure messaging with the representatives. There is also an FAQ section that addresses many common concerns. For instant communication, Bank of America offers chat services through your online account during the specified hours, and although the direct email support is not available, you can use the secure messaging system within your online banking portal to communicate with your customer service. So if you prefer the face-to-face assistance, you can visit a Bank of America branch, use the branch locator tool on the website or the app to find nearby location. Always use the latest verified contact methods from the Bank of America's official website and never share your personal details through the unsecured channels. And it's also a good idea to keep records of your communications with the customer service for the future reference. Reaching the Bank of America credit card customer care is straightforward with multiple options including the phone calls, online tools, or branch visits. Prioritize your security by choosing and using the verified channels for a safe banking experience. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. And do not forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.